To install the door stops for your hinge door, these are the two main components. You will have 6 self-tapping screws that will be able to drill directly into the frame. This part is going to be attached to the foundation frame here. This part will be attached to the door. Essentially, it's going to click like this and shut. To install it, line your door up with where the foundation frame is going to be, and you can make little Sharpie dots so that way you know where to drill. Take your bracket and your screws, and align it up with the marks that you made, and then drill that in place. Your package will have self-tapping screws, so you don't need to pre-drill anything, but making a mark will help line up everything nicely. After that's installed, line it up with this, and then drill in place.